Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create legal entity in Oracle R12. First we need to navigate to legal entity manager, and of course there's only one menu, legal entity configurator. So click on that. It will take you to a HTML page, and then click on the link create legal entity, and here we need to start entering the details. So assume that you want to create a legal entity in, say, India. So enter the territory as India, and then the legal entity name India, organization name also specify the same thing India, and legal entity identifier. So it's just a unique code which system needs to be maintained against a legal entity. So the naming convention should be the country code followed by the corresponding tax registration number. So in India, the tax registration number is your PAN number. So let us assume your PAN number is say AP. Yeah. So let us assume it's a 10-digit alphanumeric number. So let us assume that this is the PAN number. Then your legal entity number will be IN followed by the PAN number. And here we need to enter the legal address. So here you can select the existing address, or if you want you can create a new legal address. So if you want to create a new legal address, click on this create new address. Here enter the location code. So in this example my legal entity is located in New Delhi. So I'll specify my location code. Again, location code is just a naming convention, you can use anything. New Delhi underscore India, and the address I'll just make up something, 11-45 oblique BA, and you can enter the address details, the other address details. So town and city, I'll mention it as New Delhi, state as New Delhi, and pin code. Delhi, pin code 11001. And all these details are optional. The place of registration, the inception date, that's the registration date of the company, the company is the primary business activity, sub business activity, the share capital, and the type of company, etc. If you want to enter, you can enter those details. These are just used only for a kind of a reporting purpose. And then click on save and add details. Here you should be able to see message you have successfully created a new legal entity India. So whenever you try to create a legal entity, system will automatically create one establishment for each legal entity. So what you can do is you can just go back to the return to legal entity search page. So just enter with the name India and click on go. Here you can see two rows. One is first row is for the legal entity and second row is for the establishment. When you create a legal entity, system will automatically created one establishment under each legal entity. And if you want to get into the details, click on this view details. So this is the legal entity details, and if you want you can click on update and you can update these details. And for each legal entity there will be seeded registration which is available in the system. So in this case, for an India legal entity, system has automatically created this registration of India income tax. And if you want to update, you can click on update and update these details. Otherwise you can click on cancel, and if you want you can even update the contact information, and you can click on this particular tab which will take you to the establishment. And once you click on view details, it will show you again. All these other tabs are now these are the tabs linked to this establishment. Again, the establishment details, and if you want you can update this, otherwise you can just leave them as is. And registrations, so this is where you can create your tax registration if required. So this is how you create your legal entity, and once this particular legal entity setup is completed, you can associate this legal entity to your corresponding ledger. Thank you.